criminals.
You, 離開呢度。This doesn't concern you.
Kill him! Dump him in the harbor when you're done!
打出嚟啊！話俾你知邊個話事？玩夠啦！大鑊！你老母仆街冚家鏟！踢爆佢啊！妖仔，走先啦！即刻同我討論。你啊！佢哋殺叔㗎，睇住！細路驚啊，走先啦！瞄準啊！哇！集成啦！你未夠俾我打啊！兜頭打落啦！我等我哋好耐㗎啦！遇到我，整撚定你今日冇運行啦！哇！屌啊！哇！嚇撚死我啊！你條契弟，我今日收你皮！埋佢單啦！我要還屌！哇！死我啊！放我走啊！屌你老母！你打我邊啊？打我邊啊
Do you think it's over?
Not yet.
They had some weapons in the trunk. You better take them.
Thanks. You better lay low.
Wait, what's going on, man?
Shit, they're Mrs. Chu's. They're coming after everything we got.
Who do these fucks think they are?
Big Smiley's coming after us. I guess he figures we can't vote against him if we're dead.
Big Smile, Lee?
Yeah. You want out?
No, I'm with you all the way, boss.
We're with you, Wei.
Just for once, I'd like to fight someone outside my own triad, though.
Wait, up here!
Come on, let's move! Move it, move it!
About time you guys got here.
Get inside! market. Coming from the market.
All I want is a bowl of soup. Fucking crazy shit I've ever seen.
Watch the front. I'll go check it out.
You stupid bitch! Where's Wei Shen? I got a message for him from Big Smile Lee.
Oh, yeah?
Ha! Just the piece of shit I'm looking for. You're going to vote for Lee, you hear me? You don't? We're gonna fuck you. All your ancestors and
These guys don't give up.
He said every guy in Aberdeen.
Get out of my alley!
Look out! Here comes some more!
Fuck these guys!
俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢。
老母！你再嘈我打鳩死你啊！
話你知啊，你實死硬啊！
Get up here! Up here! Wait!
Get a load of this. Jesus fucking Christ.
Careful of our guys! Didn't expect this!
It's us or them now.
Are they done?
We'll see. Let's go.
Hey, 過嚟啊! Get in. We gotta move.
Great, just fucking run it.
Hurry! Shit! Where we going?
We gotta get to Ricky. I don't want him on Big Smile Lee's side.
How are you gonna bring him over?
I got an idea. Where the hell is Jackie?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Call him.
No answer. Before you came around, I expect him to be hiding out somewhere. Now, I don't know.
Look, you think they might have gone after him?
They went for Mrs. Chu. Fuckers are going after everyone.
Hey, Ricky. Look, easy, Ricky. Look. We have to talk. I got nothing to say to you. Calm down, okay? Listen. Big Smiley's coming after anyone who's a threat.
I work for Sonny Woe. We're Lee's biggest backers, and unlike you, I'm loyal to my friends. Sonny told me about you and Vivian.
What? Ricky, I didn't do anything. I swear it.
But
Sonny recorded a video of us together to blackmail me, and now the police have it. They're threatening to release it if I don't testify against Sonny.
What do you think Lee will do to her when he hears?
you said no?
Of all the people Sonny told me to be with, Wei is the only one who said no. The only one. Even you. You didn't say no.
Listen, Ricky, you have to choose. If you back Sonny, Lee will probably ask you to kill her yourself. Or you can get her out of here, keep her safe, and Sonny stays in jail.
Okay, but what about Big Smile Lee?
You let me worry about Lee. Listen up. You better keep a low profile for a while.
Yeah.
All right. See you. You got a lot of nerve after that shit Pendrew pulled at the funeral. What, he sent you to finish the job?
Pedro doesn't know I'm here, all right? I'm completely violating protocol. Look, I never wanted you for this job because of what Dog Eyes did to your sister and how you handle things in San Francisco. But you've done better than anyone could have expected. I can only imagine the pressure you must have been under.
Don't get sappy on me now, Raymond.
Wait, you crossed Pendrew, right? He's cut you off, and this is your last chance to come in clean.
What? But what's he gonna do? Arrest me? Call me a rogue cop? Look, I need you to be straight with me. Is he gonna blow my cover?
I don't know what he'll do. Not anymore. Wait, just come back with me now. You're a good man. We can fix this. Smooth it over with Pendrew.
Jackie, not now. I'm busy.
Mr. Shen, we have your friend, so listen very carefully. You'll receive our instructions. Follow them if you want him to live.
Look, it's Jackie. I need to go.
Wait. Wait!
Hold it right there. Head him down, Neil Shoes.
Try anything and your friend dies. Oh, he's clean.
Where's Jackie?
Go ahead. The man is down there.
Where's Jackie?
You're as dumb as you look. Kill him! You know we're not letting you out of here!
啲招呢對鞋有咩特別啊？先踢屎忽！
Don't be afraid of this idiot! For a moron!
冇停！哇！嚇撚死我啊！你條友仲揾緊閃啊！哇！哇！
Where's Jackie?
You're never going to find him! Stop! Stop!
Where's Jackie?
I don't know! I don't know what they did with him!
What do you mean you don't know?
I was just supposed to kill you. I don't know anything about the other guy.
Who does?
DY, 18K's head enforcer.
How do I get to him?
I don't know. I only talked to him by phone.
Tell me, and I might let you live, you stupid fucker.
I only talked to him on my phone. Here, take it!
柒頭！
咁塞法啊，塞到幾時啦？你話？
Hello? Liwa?
Who the hell is this? Where's Horseface?
This is New Shoes. I work for Horseface.
I'm not talking to you. Put your boss on.
He's dead. Shen killed him.
What?
Shen killed him. Landed in... I hope you're not afraid of ghosts. I've come for you.
Damn it! I'm not afraid of you.
Then you're stupid, huh?
Let's kill this asshole.
Come on, you bastards!
Take this fucker out.
Piece of shit! Salty, this is Way. I need a boat and I need a gun. Can you meet me in Kennedy Town? And Salty, make it a big gun, okay? I don't want to fuck around.
Gun is in the boat as requested. I threw in a lot of ammo too.
Thanks.
Want a traveling companion?
Thanks, but this is personal. Jackie! Jackie! Oh, Jackie, shit, hold up! Jackie! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Fuck, man.
You're alive!
What's how I fucking crazy? Fuck!
You okay?
Fuck, man. Fuck. Oh, man.
Calm down. I'm right here, brother.
I thought I was gonna fucking die down there, man. Fuck. I thought I was gonna die like an animal, man. Fucking like a dog or something.
Come on, brother. You're okay. I got your back.
Fuck. Fuck. Duh. Wait. Thanks, bro.
How'd they get you?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. This guy fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Tossed me off the 18K, man.
Yeah, they used you to get me to an ambush.
Big Smile Lee. Fuck is worse than dog eyes, man. Fuck.
Get him, Jack. Come to the lecture. Tell the others what happened. That'll be the end of Lee.
Man, I don't want anything to do with any of this shit anymore. Son on Yi, broken nose, Lee, I'm done with all that, man. Just dream about being in the Son on Yi, you know? What did it get me? Winston's dead. Peggy's dead. All this fucked up shit, I couldn't sleep now.
I know what you're saying. So what do you want to do now, Jackie? The election's tomorrow. We'll want to check out the building, make sure that Big Smile Lee isn't planning any surprises. But we got some time to kill.
I don't know. I almost bought it today, man. For real. I think I'm just gonna go take a walk or something. Got some shit to think about.
Sure, man. It's cool.
I'll see you tomorrow or something.
All right. Don't do anything stupid.
I'll go